Elite Park so young Gejofu, young Chelsea. Bright Elite no. Omni kwa bi breme bo. Ochina na sa big game na ba so. Ebedi bun komo. Afe District Football Association Eastern Region Brim Central. Elections no so ba so. Sisi ya de date na ba. I am next week. Wednesday in Alexis Nebaso. Achimodian Sports Stadium. Conference Hall in Alexis Nebaso. Why no Romo? Yadibun Komoba. Udi can't see the Komo. This week, Nyanya Catcher say. Demonstrations from Kubi Baso. We are football loving fans. I must say, a Konya football Faswa, Yayo Chrome Harmono, and Sedan Swami and Intino, and some trophy Kukudam. Akosiki permits. Some of the demo. It's Ghana Football Association of Ghana buying. Nothing and so about a Ghana good AFCON so Koso and when you have two teams and not two nations are progressing to the semi-final of the African Cup of Nations and two game basso fine qualify and running Kabane Beche go Piamo Europe so games out of Koso Ochina Kraka Arsenal Liverpool ababo Emirates Sports Stadium come away Chelsea Manchester United Man City Barcelona Mari AC Milan Inter Milano Borussia Dortmund Bayern Munich Heidenheim abonyi na game edi mun ko ne bro
Emma Ayesrum Bakuni say any the last one I ever bought my president now or to be prima you will be the first President's Cup Sumi and some banning into Anka football was called hat-trick. Now if you so much Yeman Penny 80 years you know I say you did a birthday at the same time no yeah that's I say coincidence until we are last one you percent this room now yeah many farm for transi if you quite fast one we best different tina you percent call international see share on my penny program now some say obedi 6 match biano I have to frɛ the colleagues president Maneba a special guest you need to when I say oh you percent call international now the percent you say there will be a special guest of honor this year and you know yeah be fact team back wo Ghana now on my penny na obeba abe special guest of honor also fact team back wa free the crew aba so that while the two of them are watching the game obi on the team and on my asuti say it's likely say the president of Cote d'Ivoire nebaba yeah start share
okay into way and so I Gaka chairman Kujo Fiano Nensem efa I Gaka president cap on ehono and now the abana see afie enya dia aye senia ye hunu dada say two clubs from Ghana omo enomobo aye president cap no see afie die omo atretro mushim ya dia ibenya a club from Ivory Coast ASEC Mimosa omo ene omani kotoko ene bebo enti say ASEC Mimosa ebeje de kwa na say president cap na ye Ghana ye president diano ASEC Mimosa agi trophy da kopiemu e Ivory Coast ye bedi mun komo Kofi so bia kama
oye kwa be fine ya do manti bia kama na so
oh bia de dadin bia de dadin
bia fine say that awon dey ne wo papa panti adwuma na dey be
awon dey ne boboba
awon dey
ne AFCON coming to Nesoti
bia kama ya soti unze president dey ginam gina ya na have been by say swat
258
I say my property ba ku bia no
258
o dey see by say first na no dey
esia ukọ mienu to aso timi jiwa ho be say 2-3 days
yes
na wasan ba nti
Mr. Ratten so and yeah property kanka na
amumi no am say Angela ye bibia mo Medina am say munyina mo yare ai say me bo chire hwa na ma say we won yare o na eno onwuwe me ba commentary no me ba na chairman so te down ho
ono so yare say itu of wo ntiu unze akwala de se wo hwe penia na mo no tete awo but wo akwala ye wa genze we peni go me ko haba see ya na be yo
am say sisi ade omumi ansa no ne wa strong gum na Daniel
ajuma no omo nchire ni India omo go omo jejere tata ka granti ne na je fama no so sia sia ono so be fa no kwan na so bi odo so tere de okọ omre
akọ
okọ mu na se we muri tizi no so tesoro
sa
mo so fo ko to mu kwan no so
okay
no wa simple cra na se ajuma na sia sia nti sia me se mauli na da team na no
sisi ade no leading
ma tu chama no nti
president of
sia boss ba ko pe
amuko ni the militants president of the militants
I just know where you omo yare be 100 million times so omo honjo omo so be na sin di ni ba na sin ni mo dey
asemu
ata so no nyare kwala de yasa asro so ojen kugusu a
ne to pai
ti den asia na be
na manjiasi akoi
ana futu so sa chanupa
na mbisanse ya waje bi ese kokoje na makoje na eje se papa ni wonu na ochina yokakoje na ase
everyone so
ana true commentary ni mantene nka bio ma huni bio
mauli
am se ko fio ko prep
ko mimi wano me ya media no ka tem so ko ozo ko ana mo bonko me ye juma eya juma ugofi ugwaje de era do try time say point na be see from nana
and chama say omunsem no ya boss too much nti yenja
yi film no koy obo ebeka
o si yenja time anyway
get to kreku dia ba ebeka o dia bara e ka o si
nti mali betena na fa ko kakra bra eye 10:28 fa ko kakra nkofon cross bra na fi yehu ne ekoso ne ne eba yenya ne tie se games na hodo na nso ekoso afcon no so no stories hodo enso eba senior ne ma city ne nyina no
ya kama no choni patitenze are
se bibia ye din de mo mike no ono
neza dia ro na kwa ne na bujua mja na uchoni patitenze ze de ujina ho camera no are by force there oni mutwa
Bani so bia ikaba
Sewa nyamiatom
bia ye
pasa do jira biti grab ra dia zo beto
we projector no so na honi screen no so na honi sa by call outside and tsa
na za de hu ha run hu
o dia ye we ba we prepare ye we ye fie nkomo
da bisa mi guda no mas na go from say
ogumenu mas na mi ogumenu mas
ajuma no siani ko bige da ere za ko bige uvie eti ko bige ere za no na ga ko bige ko temalia na ozo be dize ya tuta ko bige be vita mala ba
I'm so sure. I'm so sure.
Eti
I'm not sure in there.
Senior man.
Enti Benito Mauli ede ebe konko phone cross na fe nsema hodo a ene so bari nyina no odini na babija ye Europe ukopie ma games out on e koso sanso na Asian Cup no enso e koso na Asian no omo wo team bi ho na fe ne se Tajikistan o se de menim be bi omo free but omo ya wonders e wo eye Asian Cup no mo atumi se ne ma koyi de momo se Tajikistan for no o omo stars no omo dini ye den
Tajikistan Tan.
Okay. Omo wo Asia hobby.
Basha.
Okay. Young come right.
Okay, I was for Kakrabina fin Jumedina Canon so and to a CFN in Chimo League anymore or France and then Bonton so win a round of 20 and I said match day 20 and a year bar and then all idea against Pina and so 8 me about start rain and so anyone pay a bo 4 p.m. Yanko Poya Duma 8 p.m. no Nant and so any RC long and so El Gima. Amusu ebe tumi abofie chene Nyankopon ya duma Monaco ene Le Havre ewo game afi Lille enso ne Clermont-Foot ebebo Met ene Lorient enso ewo game amuso omobo afi Rem enso ene Toulouse enso ewo game enso betumi abaso 2 p.m. chena afi Brest ene Nice enso ebontuwe ne Nice Brest ana amuso ebo chena Medin komono enso edma afi Lyon enso ne Marseille ewo game enso ekosna endra Nyankopon ya duma one game enso etofuma Strasbourg ehye kanabako ama PSG enso ekoshe kanimenu eno ne etenado ani chemu stand no so PSG lead 47 points ana omode ekoma nima Nice etosumenu ekra 38 on Brest tosumiensa ekra 35 ana fi Monaco etoso enaya omuso omkra 34 points ya din common Germana Kylian Mbappe ashe 20 goals onna odi elina Feyisant Beniada enso ashe 10 goals omo ede ko omani mon yenko pemo Germany Bundesliga no ne yendi enkomo enfuma no so match day 20 ene ya dey against Pina baso Bayern Munich oni Borussia Mönchengladbach ebo 2:30 p.m. omobo Bochum ene Augsburg enso game omuso ebo Darmstadt ene Bayer 04 Leverkusen 2:30 p.m. omuso ebo Freiburg Tonside for Stuttgart nasa game nenso etimia baso Mainz 05 and Werder Bremen enso game 2:30 p.m. afi FC Cologne so omne entrance Frankfurt 5:30 no sa game nenso baso china Nyankopon ya Wolfsburg and Hoffenheim ebo 2:30 afi 4:30 p.m. no RB Leipzig Everton sa eda for Union Berlin na sa game nso etimia abaso ahyehyapno no 49 points ana Bayer 04 Leverkusen edi LED table no Bayern Munich ekra 47 Stuttgart etosumiensa ekra 37 Borussia Dortmund enso etoso enaya 37 points ana omuso omukra Hurricane ono unim se Bayern Munich 23 goals ana wahye afi Seau Gurasi oye adwuma edma Guinea ono so etimia frimu Stuttgart ono so ahye 17 goals Bundesliga no match day 20 monkomo yadi enso Germana Serie A no Italy no enso match day 23 yendin komo ene against Pina baso Empoli tonsara Fred Genoa 2 p.m. sa game ne baso afi Monza enso game enso baso champion yes enti Frosinone oni AC Milan enso game at 5 p.m. sa game no enso 8 mi abaso no na afi Bologna enso ene Sassuolo enso etimi de sa game no enso ahyehyɛ so Medin komo na Germany china Nyankopon adom Torino ene Salernitana Buffy Napoli enso and Hellas Verona game 2 p.m. Atalanta and Lazio game 5 p.m. Inter Milan oni Juventus win a cracker match at 7:45 china Nyankopon adom game no enso tofuma Nyankopon adom Mante no AS Roma enso ne Cagliari game 7:45 ya din komene demo ahyehyapno no 54 points Inter Milan de call afi Juventus 53 AC Milan etosumiensa 46 and 9 no Atalanta 36 goals ana omuso omukra Lautaro Martinez enso ashe 19 goals odi lead top scorers chart no so hono ma din komano enso ejema La Liga Santander match day 23 and Valencia oni Almeria game bo Granada CF and the last Palmas 3:15 no more game Deportivo Alaves on the FC Barcelona 5:30 p.m. sa game no and so ebetumi abasona fe Girona and so aton side the Real Sociedad 8 p.m. and I sa game no Nyankopon ya duma and so 8 mi abaso china Nyankopon ya duma Villarreal and so any Cadiz CFO game 1 p.m. afi Osasuna and Celta de Vigo 3:15 no more ball Real Betis Everton sa eda frege Getafe na 5:30 china omonso etia bonafi Real Madrid enso any Atletico Madrid aweno Madrid derby nkrofo this is no match be 3 times we eba be personal fejumedi no enso aye complete ye din community Germana Mante Rayo Vallecano enso any Sevilla game 8 p.m. so sharp no Real Madrid at 57 points lead Girona ekra 55 miensa Atletico Madrid 47 points omede kwafe 9 FC Barcelona 47 points and some 14 goals per pair friend Jude Bellingham and also at the economy our chart ne so Medin common edema EPL no match day 23 and yakwako Roman Everton Tottenham 12:30 p.m. and area Jumede no so set Brighton to set a Crystal Palace at 3 p.m. after Burnley and Fulham and also 3 p.m. game na Baso Nyankopon adom Newcastle United 3 p.m. no or to set a Luton Town no Sheffield United and so Aston Villa Villa 5:30 anwummerɛ wei sa game no enso ebetimi abaso chena nyankopon ya duma 2 p.m. ne Bournemouth and Nottingham Forest about Chelsea and Wolves enso game Manchester United ne West Ham United to Kobe Manu versus Kudus Mohamed sa game no so anobedin brutal Arsenal enso any Liverpool 4:30 chena sa game ne baso Monday nyankopon ya duma Brentford ebeton sa eda from Manchester City 8 p.m. na sa game ne enso etimi abaso sharp no Liverpool ekra 51 early di Man City or one outstanding game on Tosumino Ekra 46 points on Arsenal the Gunners so Ekra 46 Etosumiensa and 9 Tottenham Hotspur almost Ekra 43 points at the common top scorers no Mo Salah Asher 14 Sasson Ellen Holland and so Asher 14 Dominic Solanke and so Asher 13 goals almost at the air common Mohanma Yedin common and so Edman and himself and Yankopian but big gamer Basson so Emirates and Arsenal Liverpool no and draw could pay more training grounds as a training grounds on ma na Diana so any Thiago Alcantara for the first time on also team training with Liverpool team na Yashen himself na also bet me anya minutes kuma bi apia game ne Dema Liverpool ya din common Dema na Liverpool sam ne egu so ya kan when him say Crawford no atia no say Jurgen Klopp wa ba ka say season ne kwawe ya on Liverpool jaya adwuma na reporter meeting say Liverpool management no almost ategu mbonde so almost per replacement Dema Jurgen Robert Klopp na reporter meeting and say we no enye emotions and amde kwa per replacement no na emum kwa for coach and start no and so ebin ben Jurgen Robert Klopp den ho a owetimi aye adwumaniti anya say we legend and mo Liverpool now so we coach kwa for but na emum per coach obetimi aba be adwuma na Zidane atweniti ya hwe say Zidane ebetimi aba be pie mo Anfield na fi openi no enso aba bia jumane diamana medin common enso demona Tyson Fury with him sanka ono so 17 February nanka ono so heavyweight bout back on Alexander Usyk ananka eko ewo Saudi Arabia na mo reporter bansen penfon so to start bout no e dia sheda ni nyina ne se papa friend Tyson Fury no abro oye training no so akokonya deep cut ewo nani ne fa no nani achi wosa etwahu enti openi ne apam nani achi eno na enam so amasa bout no penfon so to 17 February so about no entimi embaswa medin common enso demana Bayern Munich surprisingly when him said January and I said winter transfer into no aden so etinye close first February no na Bayern Munich enso ewremu Granada ekofa attacking midfielder yefene Brandt Zaragoza epaye na before that day na reporter nepa and said Bayern for nefa kuntuna se kopie mo Chelsea senka Mukailo Mudrik no anka omokwa akofo penena ba bia juma diamomo nanso Chelsea for chire mo penena no by 800 million or the buy no enya dio penena so etimi abobra bia momo enti omunya Antonio kopun time omo betene ka no Brandt yefene Mahalo Mudrik no ono so entimi enso she camper medisan komano enso Edmana Wayne Rooney ono so penena sakin obedi by 83 days enso Birmingham City after so ono so she camp DC United America buy no papa ne motimpo no entimi anso ni masese Tony Mowbray and also ababe replace papa yefin Wayne Macaroni enso Birmingham City oye adwuma no na reporter meeting say when Rooney enso make it do be and share next movement no enso ekwa kopie mo Saudi Arabia papa yefin Wayne Rooney no ekwa akohwe say obetima ye adwuma no enso Saudi Pro League ni ma medisan koma no enso edema champion misi from the England mo AFCON ase na anim say ne 2 games baso Mali ne Ivory Coast ebo 5 p.m. na fe no Cabo Verde enso ene South Africa 8 p.m. no omoso omatimi abomedin koma no enso edema na Asia Cup 2023 no enkrofo no makacho so moni Africa die ase ya sanisa omoso Android dia against pina no enso ekoso Tajikistan for na shebi ama Jordan enso shekan ba kunti Jordan enso Roma ono so ekonani mane South Australia enso ene South Korea and D11 after extra time no and papa team friend South Korea for during the extra time no omunya 1 goal ka ho akuye 2-1 South Korea enso edia qualifier or konani into the next stage of the competition ya disan common diamond champion but missing from now for discussion saka no enso ento aso
okay Benito Mauli ena watinin kano dia konkofo nkroso de nsem nyina enso edi aba Kofi Kakrabi awo AFCON mu and 2 games and a basso.
Yeah.
And
ma menche TFO bi na yenhwe Afcon kitwe bi na ne won say breaka of it no
ana ya Afcon bit me be kan local no yenhwe Kobe Manu ni Mohamed Kudus
okay
West Ham and Manchester United
okay yeah ntino ya adoma game no ba so West Ham United na Manchester United yi na ye say two teams no e wa kwhia Kudus Mohamed ba Afcon no begunu hu ani ase ana no da ko game o mo ye say otumi to atena de ma West Ham United boku na Abrante na dan ho a kire se ziam prempre ni o ka say de upe players omu fi Africa no a omu ni ball ne ball mo dom ho di e wa Europe or one of them because we had the association from Ajax to West Ham United nem ko fu bi kan se ompe o eso ko Chelsea Manchester United se pe no team we so hia no we so ko abato na ga sane ni team transfer hwe no hu se okọ West Ham United ebe bo ano me okọ da me na adwen nya pe because na no here Kudus Mohamed de bia na me person de no ball no ko du a ara o chusu ebi a West Ham United ahead of Chelsea and I say teams bia na person ko bono no onu ne nim ni ho se okọ akwasa se de free baby but me de na me na adwen ye de enye pe but okọ West Ham United no Vidiase na tete bench onya bi mo enim se bia okọ ko de nkrofo ko nim se de da room na akọ bobo e won mo pen ase de hu adepo bia mo ye de omo ko entina enim se bia okọ sa ne mani but Abrante ne ko no wakoda no ho bia kire se se man be 2 years West Ham United oba be one of the best players we are here and confirm be tam sika kese te de ye kan de two players akasifo su ebi di akoto Abrante fan Kudus Mohamed so am prepare ho na se pranso an kwa Abrante na fa e be dey de ma eye teams ni se akase ne se okoto na odis kakuma bi na be de e ba ko fa Abrante fan eye Kudus Mohamed ednaba na ka Kobe Manu asem se si Kobe abaye integral person Manchester United team ni mu a akwalala yin ho a kire pefe se de Manchester United no enye enkane Manchester United ni mu a na obo place bi di ana o ti ni di kura na hope sisi ano akwakwe Manchester United o yire hu gitu ebe betuma ide enya bi abo because Kobe Manu say be say 2007 18 mu na ba na nka Manchester United nge kan kenya di Abrante fan Kobe Manu be de ebenya bi abo but omo manu kwan na Abrante ni nye ewura team ni mu wada ne ho di da kire prefer say inti era ma coach efe no Eric Ten Hag de enya didie mumu a won ma konya ne se me ni mpelifo ana se team kase nti se na Abrante kuma Kobe Manu memra mejina mu na membo Manchester United Melford no kwaba se yema no kwan na se omu jani mu kakara se bia onya da expose anu se ya kutamu chebe se 1 year 2 years bia kwaba Manchester no aba be one of the best players ewo Manchester United team because minimum wa tiska pudu akọ ayasa akọ to Abrante fan Anthony ba Manchester United yenya no so mfa so hu Abrante fan Holland ba Manchester United yenya no so mfa so hu ya titis kakase da ko to place akasifo woni na be Manchester United a omo ba ne yansere hu mfa so bi omo so but Kobe Manu from nowhere you see how about Manchester United team na ile e dey see ni nice so see bo game emperor Abrante fan Kobe Manu amobi akwabra aye na e dey the Manchester United so o ka ayi fo mi nu ka bom dia Manchester United West Ham United me need say West Ham ebetumi asha Manchester United me hunu say bia game no ya dia betumi I draw era Manchester we say dia Manchester dem koyi efa man you but performance kakra mo den dey nse no e kire say enya dia obetumi atama West Ham
United nso na nanse mo say draw there amun pe bia boy because when we need game obolusu afie wo twa mo round no menya wo
bibia timi dane anything no all more draw as obese no because draw no bag game ni dia na Manchester United be dey every enkuru nti da manfo manu sina yenya akonya ndi nkomo pi na dey won se bebreka e wo fie ne Afcon na yenya kwan enwura mu yi pa
odisa ba ya onati enso e wa ha ana wo bra ha
Aruko okoto na barba mezele hono
iti mama wana kwa ba na ko mi ja na
ona bo kesi pa
ai mana kwa ba
yesis ko chelo
anyare ko to
yes ka kutwa
so ona bo Kennedy hu ni bi ewu
yes o pese da ju be tunu fi a chimzo do ayi no so
achimzo do dem nya so be pe
o so isi o tran be 2 years 3 years wait me aprebi se disi ka sem do kon kan go tunu tunu boss dia
Davi send me
we go ne zachi na be bora to achu baby
send me hu ni ano so ba challenge kura enya ha e bia twefo afosua ho no baby
e go so le go fire pass ai
I would not to the level.
Oda manakwa abansana de me question na bo.
Ona bo we eni di omi bumu ase e mo akwa ba.
Don't worry.
About to about you. Enough for more.
Okay.
Kofi amakwa ba na wan
Mejene so. Abejo so.
Ona obi abako.
Nyame adom. Me hoye pa.
Nti we no ya
me interview ala so. Me didn't say to me from honorable sir. Say me ba had be on from honorable.
And I be say o ba de bi atama o.
Dem konso ese adu
abra
ko ye isia o.
Da bi na say ko election yi. Say o time frame that normal. But say election is na from honorable and they are what? We picking from that does it mean the person say.
O den dey amount.
And from Sisi akwa best at Afro.
Okay.
Dey amount.
Okay. So me am honorable until from honorable cry normal. But men fan ko fa assembly man sem no. I know there.
E o dey amfa.
Amuka china ofem. Dey akori aba. Me dey kuto nyina yare.
Normal.
Me dey kuto nyina yare.
Normal.
Warrior o dey go show bi kutare.
Referee kutare na sports president am so worry there.
Response ni.
Ona warrior to so mi no.
Na se mi to so mi. Mi poni dey 22 me.
20 ve.
No kuto dey ze abuka chibu obu no ade.
Obu bi bra.
Ezu ni ko fi ogura wa gra.
All right. Back to
Cobra Costi
business.
0 was on worry. Cobra Costi.
O consider no.
Financial flow.
Consider ba mo medical report.
Fucking mine. Oh no.
Oba you mo medical report.
Oh, the man crying to me. You go around to me. No.
Is he there?
Go around to me. Oh, the man to me.
So to medical report.
You say how we failure.
I heard them because on the am suspecting no.
I ban so about to come about thing.
Say about Chris what do din. The next person I'm ready to do Costi. That no pay. Some na go about Chris what do din. Tizia is the union say everybody dey no pay.
Oh no dey wait na bo. Oh no.
Na bibia balance bibia. So bibia mo kwaji.
Bibia fine, bibia fine. Bibia fine. Yanko yansam no so na ye hwe time no kwa na echo. Touch Chelsea ni Wolves.
Okay.
Na United ni West Ham no ka bom ye no ba ko pe and I be 2 minutes na yanko. If nsam no dos.
Boss me da say na ma bi nche wetiefo. Na mi nche de senior mo so di ayin kan kwa me yeboa. So made demonstration. Ye be kwa kwata mo achi na mo meka ka che me achi odi. Se sada no mesra no fufu bi anka woni no nyai.
Unjai say
Nyai demonstration no. Because you see MPP and DC for adi omo dream why breaking the age bringing back Nanado
yanko so
and bringing back Mahama and one omo dream who see ya
yanko so bra
omo tu see adwe do mutima and breaking the age bringing back Mahama and one do mutim twi do mutim
say omo so mo Felix say omo ye na Ghana for pa
to the ye ba so ye member no so boss ene me betra AJ analysis no won me soa wo me bua na minim se me kra wera ho
adan
na ni Manchester United for rebe ho na me kwa chia na makwa company for baby omubu sabe ni nyaye nkomo de be share bible mu ebe ne se be me ni fia ye de obedi hirima ne yeye ena efi okura ni mu no se okwa asori ukọ all night enwumre na oba na ohwe uki uduki to baby na ohwe na hu a okura na be kire wo se uduki ni hye ha ko se jamu ni fie wajaje because ye na jamu fie ho a na nko okura de osi de me kire wo se wasafo aro de ahya ebe na se kire nyina ne se ene Manchester United ye ka players a omo na ti Manchester ni ma ko be manu
akobi no nye player asamba na okay
dem cannot say
ko menu no nye player
your generation bia ni players your generation bia ne the caliber of stars are eba when runi mu ere twam ubenya top uko teams a wodo a obia benya ne superstars omo di team ni do baby omo di atwam ene ukonda polia Amado Madonna be ne de edu Victor Osimhen mo so. Obekọ Real Madrid. Kaka mo abefem ye remo Zidane mo abefem and Vinicius mo na edu omo so enti anka obo Manchester United na nka branch friends ko be menu na edu no so a se ye nyina ye ta na chi ne ebo na ba so but uko ba bia no ko say ye obi bia fe ne se pedigree any standard and idea fe ne say change in every life idea fe change and a constant factor and a kind of constant figure in life enti ene change no say okay na the positive ba but say the negative impact na ba ene na won sesa na won sesa no amwa
o kan ko sise
me ka ko sise hwete me te say Napoli almost breya be Napoli gadom home office say de nya star yenya obi ono na team ne de yewre nyina hye ne mu ayefa Vitosien no waje Italian Calcio Serie A e de amom Juventus start o baby omo office da bi ya ko relegation aba ya tie points ese ye rebuilding but Juventus do mo be sha Andre Pirlo ba je league ye den e de ma wo mo odi ase ene e be free ho no mo even ube pie ma ba Ghana ne kotokone hase ya after revenue say Kofi mu error mu di free kotokoko ye nyina no ye benya another players omo so be say kotokobu to wutumi gi ye finish trophies de momo be se metrase na wankasa wo si ye fa dynamics enya adwuma na wo hwe bunch of friends ko be menu a na Manchester United minjini say Manchester as a team nankasa no omo gidi ko be menu agi Ghana fo na wo sa ave mo no
Ghana for na player na
yes I say ye penal blasters because come menu finin du baby a ye de blaster ye de Manchester United team ni chanensa
but who ko Europe ni na mo nyina mo bona ba pandit awdo na nyina bona ba sa
how many matches na wabo
the branch ne performance
it's too early hwe abrofo mo nim nyansa wo on mema wo necessary pressure unya feli ba kope then no mafaso no mudi watam eye hype no mo de ma England for no England players no say ye bone kro me hype no negatives eba England player ho a eye say the English press no omofa no me say asibeto Anthony no say koto England international bia anke sensania press ne be fa no
nenye bia na to Greenwood say Greenwood nso ye
Greenwood akoya den
so
she Greenwood dia no na hwe Anthony dia no boss what you say
yeah understand
she Greenwood dia na hwe Anthony dia no Food ni dwane fi national team camp kope ma akwa ketekete but obae no one match pe ebe Catania waye ni nyina aso be so ye bibini ana of different continent ankasamre ana so fi different country ankasamre da so kan sa asam no England
yeah
it ko be menu dia ni mfinu ho
ni mfinu no
ko be menu ndumra me buka je Manchester Rashford dey with me even Rashford is not performing what I say this game me I'll be surprised if United go to me 1-1
United any offense West Ham
West Ham you didn't but pick the players pick one
United only players nana
United players
Anthony
minimum Anthony
almost Sofiane
Amrabat ono be red card of AFCON no
top players
top notch players
yeah Rasmus Hojlund and Ojini D
metiwase Manchester League table no mo da yie anameboa
omo da them say 7th or say
omo da yie abanje so what be ania
I'm not telling you no
say we be make us free etra me say that pick onu anasem na o kan no aja say minim baby a onu fi a o de oba etra me say that pick onu anasem o de o kan no na me check bibi wa ha about Manchester table na Manchester da 7th
yeah
West Ham da 6th so it should tell you say Manchester performance embro West Ham so bebre this game Manchester po mundi eburu botto back West Ham be show
Mate
the best for Manchester United and Abia be 2-1 3-2 and now 1-0 because in this game pick player by player individual performance this season I'm not anytime you Ghana anytime people could do sabaso but
I saw the performance there
o pick Manchester United players ni gina ho last 2 seasons you who Rashford on a yin who United team ni mo and you been a certain look so when you by yes still Obama data what then say then as also buy last season you look so and we been Anthony so then spending ever far baby kakra and okoye ono so sabi be ma wotena won sabo ba de dia wo femu ano no okonya de that problem no but then the Manchester boboa Manchester party na ayela
now a coach na players no
and me blame no me the man Alex Ferguson
nipa no abaye adwuma na waja ko no aden
Alex Ferguson echo hwe years of spend on Manchester United okona Manchester for man kwan so okay my obi a office obetumi bebo Manchester team no why not buy David Moyes
the Moyes
the Moyes pa yen kan okure se Moyes pa o bibinia nka hype na wenye obenya. Let's be honest to ourselves. Me body asem.
Some Moyes na always
me body adwuma. Aka hype nya na sa time na obenya because that time na me fit for Manchester United. Standard na.
Unim say.
Na let's Ferguson na be set dia to ho no. But what I say? Standard no Ferguson na be set dia to ho no. Na wo hi obi a Sir Ferguson ye 100% ubetumi nya be 75.9% and at least 80%. But Obama Manchester for 40%. 40 credits.
Mate.
And a United for to the chosen one. And no confirm your experience, I may say, and then a payback. David Moyes will pay them.
Okay.
Or be pay one more. And would you have a cancer make a Jimmy Mefrenichiano? This game at me and Hammy who be bet. Me who say Team of Friends West Ham United. Ever question. Could be men in Fisusa. Matisse GF4 a Simuna GF for Mudino. Me about make a wansam. Could be men you on the Sasso be brave. We are seeing. Could menu. You on the Sasso be brave. And what do you mean? Nefis
bon now bon.
Common ball away. Blasters, common ball away.
Mate. Enti adisaba ya nate ena watene kana Ediafa United only West Ham gamer Ebasun emo yebeko aye DFA elections ni Brim Central na fe din komo enso efuro nom aba na yehu ne ko ni eba yenya ntie se elections no ebaso ukwade ya edi yenimi na ade no bi o hanuma na sa ayewi GFA a publish aye data aye elections no enso ebebaso na GFA echima say no chrobaye elections will be held for candidates in 3 districts in the Eastern region on Wednesday, February 2024. The elections for the 3 districts will be held at Mampong Park in the Ekuapim North District, Oda Sports Stadium Conference Hall in the Brim Central District, Nafe COY Conference Hall, and so in Sanwom Adweji District nimu honum na sa 3 district abato no and so ekoso na baby na ye pese hwe no 9 o'clock am and abato no bekoso various district omo eto abano na bepie mu Brim Central say na isi eti official list for the candidates for the Brim Central district elections no say na isi echo for the DFA chairmanship position. For DFA chairmanship position na Reverend Emmanuel Kwabena Bendon Pene Dano but omenya ntie se onko bio enu nti nipa mienu na ejina ye enso ho Daniel Asukwa do na friend coach Asukwa ono ejina mu bi o pese atu no so aba na afi obehede district no afi Ernest Akins Asiedu do na so efre no YMB ono so eka obi nti we nipa mienu a yebeto amso aba na afei yahwe nia Obelidi District Football Association no afei for the 3rd division clubs club reps no position no nipa miensa ene koye Akrofi Joseph Safo Stanley Ofori Dodu ko Stanley eno na afei Asante Daniel wemo aye for the 3rd division clubs rep position no nipa miensa yentom so aba no obedi nkunim no ono na obeserve as the rep ere ama aye 3rd division no afi for the juvenile club reps position no nipa mieno Kwaku Amponsa KTK no won okay KTK ejinemu ha na afi Stephen Ofosu Ampofo enso ejinem ewa ha wey aye for the juvenile club reps position no nipa mieno na echo afi for the referees reps positions no ono so nipa mienu Osam Alex ena afi Joshua Kwame Nyako ena for the player reps position no eno so nipa baako pe Clement Boateng enye bonto bonto on ana bonto Clement Boateng
za Clement Boateng bonto
Kotogu Royals
ana
se bia isi o dibere team nim ti oto aba third division no
yeah now
players rep
that is all is on your
players rep that be when so players rep but now on mobile so on mobile bio nti why no so okay nti yebeko na ya ne mpanifo enso edi nkomo na yahunia ko eninia eba Mr. Kwaku Amponsa KTK ewa homa so akra bibia kama de
onyankofo adumo papa
nam gase na yahu da na yahu donti wonya konya ne edi nkomo yedase na roadmap net says sisi ade efe no ede eye date ede be to aba no ede aba osanso the time no ahye ho roadmap no ete sen nya ntie se Odan Sports Stadium honom na abato no ekoso nhihye towards elections no ebe ko ne se boye nchiremu
yo penemi da se ni sanda watie fo nyina so ase anapai kame se ukwade twemu anasa brande twemu last week na me say holding your district meeting ntina ye say say brande be so mpene for be ma ya kwanya me de abato no asese so say nyankopon ya doma ene say omodi omoyi na ba ise omodi kwana tum se nyame ya doma ukwade de ye nimi excellence ya metwa bana ya ni enipa mi mu ba ko no me chairman I'm share your district football association so enti o share say o ha am say na most at times no yendi ho bibia for GFA ansana ba enti say o ka say road map a obetimi aya say any fresh raw maya untumi nyi bibia enti say mandate ni ba e ba region na region so da ba district enti eno na ye show mo nim say mo de ayi ba ya you see who say Fabri or Mama Kwenya says on the 7th you better aba but all here forms the beba candidate ni din was so na teams are omo better aba no so edin was so e be shama a friend say omo sha ba to electoral commission be so e no de ni nyina mbae nti e twen senior kopon be ya do mo de sa de be ba ansana ukwade be yanim no abato no etumi abaso nti ehono de metimi aka se yentie boase na yentwen kakra yenhwe nsese ya mpanifo ewode maye
minim se mo de mo dan eye Eastern Regional RFA no na date e ba ye ni time e ba ye mo ni o madi nkomo ebiso mo se from ABI na date na ba no nhye be na yemfa ngwa kom ebobo ma elections na successful de amaye
no kra no premeni se regional player no kra kasai no akire se yentwen kakra the same thing for besia se GF 4 days mandate na ba no some betra na mo ahwe ntiche bi e ho a some the bebre ama yetimi bi egu akwam ama elections na timi abaso
okay okay the state of the district football association no o bon to fa e ti say
the district football association media no kwanya nkopon nim say de nyina anim more media people nim so nim say the football ho asem ye ka grassroots a ho asem ka no etie agin bebre because you need sponsorship you need bibia the association itself nankasa no on say na ye bre o ne ma bebre mu CCM say omode abatu nso abamu a ye babetu aba na yi empanifo no nti say nyankopon ya adom na etu aba na fe na me ye hu the state of yankasa association no said ye betu tu ye ma afa
okay senior wodi kan ka say now mo bre association no bre sponsorship afei no marketing kiti ya ka ya kan de ba mo be ma mo games ana say mo jumadi a mo di oboy mo ay simple de amamo no and nipa menu a o magina ye to mo so aba Mr. Akins ene Daniel Asukwai wo gidie so mo menu o betuma ba nyoma ay easy de ma district football association
No Korean couple, I'm say about what the Sebastian will be on the side of Asam Obeka just to influence will be about Kotuaba no team at Abamano. But I will say Nipa Museum pedigree. No Korean couple, you will be one of more than Nico Jaso Cotona, you bet 20 temper. Because anybody be one who's not sound in the Koto, and guess what? No Korean on a bedding. And your personality near the Twaba. By your shit or Nipa name, dear. Na ho fama wo de ma adwuma na wo be ye no so nipa ne bitumi aboa na so ntumi ma so she last Tuesday ni shia na obi a de na yi ba betu dwa no ye hu se na emu sem kekate because football na yanka ta nyimu no the grassroots no enya bia ye nya support be bia enti e ba so obi beba no ba be show bo na ye say na consider na ko to abama na de no bibi wanka se wan se ya bedu do konkwa because you need support to be able to be even GFA every year be and every season be no you become more promising before several best start league you be my boss you be my musika na mo dey run coast football you be share me for several years you say can be it will show be ba now no so e dey na dey be ba to no we can say ya we kro nya ko for na so share now so dream me no it you share any pani me no na e bi a choice ni a no kro nya ko for ni am say e binum ukotomo a ebeto pede yen so ye class ni a sese hu se nipa ni bi ni mu nipa ni bi a o hwe GFA o de o mosem kotomo ni mu a coach Sakese coach Vito Tanku akese ni nyina no de petition ni kwa se nipa wo di ni mu kwa ebetini aboa etia na me mpese mekase we anase we na mu me carry the weight na ewu mu no nipa ne nsem a moka na men sumi agasa maba football no na minim dia kwa itunu se masa esi ewe ne value ne bitini aboa enti panipa ne mi no de about 22 on man e beku ne obetini aboa about mo mi no de o show mo padi gra obi abetini abi ya se ya to abama no a
it's like KTK what can we call atwade hu circles one reason one touch point na kasa now kasa nipa ni mienu no ya dia obia e wo chance so betimi ewremu bet ye wo nipa odine ton ade a ombeto ene ye wo ne anu ni kodwa so a obebre ansa na ne opese won saka no on saka omabo nto ade akire wo no oye eligible voter o to aba ni bi o san so kra nyame ato so aba oye secretary for the association no now a me no ekasei and nipa ni mienu no hwan na wo gidie omo nto omabo ene omo sem omaka no hwan na wo gidie enye na beto aba na ma no but hwan na wo gidie so obetimi aye district football association yi e da mamo
opening mesre adwuma na ye no me mpese ochina obibetimi asite se wo ena akoka bibi o ama yanto aba amane because omo be voters na kasa so ho eno bia de ni na yin so bae no so no omo present ma obia so hunye enti mimi kokasa so mesi anasa obenti anama ma ye bias eno na me mpese na ye bibi etetisa
Mr. KTK say elections here ya GFA kromutu ibon Abdul Salam osemi de me ye ket eno no say bibia o say we osemi de me pejoje free ye we semi de me pewei say no de wo hwa sisi awo no wo club say eba na ebre a nso ubrebi o fan kwala edigu ka mu ko echem kobo games o fan kwala mu de kwa u feed wom o registration ebu on ma hu kom ebu on ma wo fo hu ni ade so atia se nyina ne eye bra onso ufam bi enti se uhwe bra ufam na uhwe nipa mienu a ye de mo gunsonye su ya ketige hona ba te o bra ne so
abe mo de me sise se ye kwa bande ma askwa eye coach askwa obetimi abo an kire se wa me sha askwa wo bre ewo oda se bibia ni na se soma na ne kwa coach askwa mo hwe ono so a enyama bebrebe tini aboa yen etisi eto aba ne de ma coach askwa obenya bread ya ma association ne mo dance e beto de ama scorpion ono ye to aba ne ma ne ya pa waje position abo ne bo akotra nkran onya bread eti enyama ubenhia se ese chairman bemu no beboa no tabe no betrin kan obeba se juma ma ne kwaya na ese mo da so accident mo che eti me mo de me should say they are so kwa because as kon ben for the brain I'm 24 the brain so ni din komo as Nyankopon ye na dom ye to about the mass kwa I hope say ne ma nyina be ye make akra dia man since e beto am Scorpion.
Okay na je say coach Asokwa nimre owo ode ti odan hanom bibia ni apatupa munsabe kano dan obi a on sedam bezi ewo achimdan no enutina wo de wo nka so obi nkonkoto ma we but wo wadwumru felise ono na ye nipa obetimi aboa district association no
Ne pa chwane.
okay yati enti ya du besia ya da I think say from na coping Wednesday de no be didi nkoma na fe ya hwese na directions no AC echo na fe sina elections no so besi akọ.
Yo, Mr. That's the brave.
Okay.
There will be
Okay, inti Mr. Kwaku Amponsa ena watene nka no. Na ada ha mo han wo echiro no mesa. Kofi.
Ya baba. Uzo. Ghana no football na ina bompa na ye kansa e pese yi. Won, se pese yi nzu dia. Be sha se free yawo.
Yeah, district.
If you are a corporate sa GF4 no.
Yeah.
Obi ase ketokre kuma de mo so ni ketokre so mfifie na o sha na tare say o GF president. Anambwa.
Football for na this
yes.
Position man.
Enti edu sambre na na say wo to aba ni yi obi obetuma adwuma no preku. But nkoto aba nko yi obi a wonu so ntumi nye. Na ade ade no koma ni wiere say fie kwatra say na football ni gu na football ni yese ya. Kwabra na sometimes material bi ase.
Kofi me ba. Me samba bio na wa maye round up of sani ma me san kwa homa so na me ne Stanley Dodu enso endi enkobo kochito se bibia e kama de
nyamia bi mo
listen so aba izade me wose odi ehim dia hamwom em say for the third year division club reps no position no moya miensa na unsu di na she ntembo no ma o pese mpanifo e ma opportunity na survey na bibia so enko informal for the third division year clubs reps no maduma nkasa de.
Okay, the kan ye be make sure say third division league no e be successful na ye answer ye be sign organize league no then you chat for most of times ye third division league na ye bono ten bia ya akasa isi ana basa isi wo league na so we no nyina ye responsibility say be ma bibia to din na ye benya team papa team o deserve say also qualify na oko.
Oh, okay. I say my main mandate no aye to organize competitions at the league clubs no and afi to organize a successful competition and so the mom. I say when na eya pe ana
no.
Okay. Inti o gidie say 7th February ya ye beto aba Wednesday ya no. Amanfo beto am na amanfo ngina so nhwe nto aba nfa ma na serve as third divisional club rep.
Okay, the kan ya boy juma o the district no beble the ye belong to Coast Club. Better me be far better the same beble sign so ebe ye league ya ye born no the last 2 years league last 2 seasons league ya boy no me anana me ye league table me anana me ye fixtures ye bibia and by the end of the day so man can so kan omo bon aba so say my yard say yet me abo leg na ma emu ayesa then my ejuma bibli am ewo district no munji ye district team kwa ye under 13 under 15 na me ana me ele na me ana me da sukita ejiwe this me yeso say umbe gina no so na o match aba na me konso ye perform fine.
Inti isia club by na ujina so a represent na yato abadi amawi.
Sisi ade meka say Esubua Sharp FC.
Esubua Sharp FC. Okay, inti isia sa club na odo ho abata o ma o pesa position ni. Okay, say yato abandi mawa uba isisa ben anase edebe na yenhwe nim from ho.
Okay, enema ye praba yen district mu no slot. So far last year ye ball league na ye 4 districts and ye ball 1 league. But ye qualifier go a 1 team pe ene tumiko. It ye fight say nyame be adom na ye qualify ye ball league ni we on be ma 2 clubs every yɛn district yi mu akɔ because of say yɛyɛ 4 district ni ebu nti no ne yɛbɔ league ni bɛwie no nanka ɔmama yɛ 2 slots nanka 2 teams ayɛ den akɔ represent ama yɛ.
Okay, no mandate pa yɛnhwɛ nim sɛ woba de bɛba
ɛna ɛdi hɔ biem yɛbɔ league ni wie a yɛntumi organize tournament bi ama yɛ 3rd division clubs no bi gye bi a top 4 anaasɛ bi a yɛbɛbɔ yɛn nyinaa bɛhyia wɔ faako ne abɔ gala na team na qualify no wanya proper mɛka sɛ obɛtumi a organize ne ho yie na watumi de akɔ no ana obɛnya proper ebi a team na ɔde akɔ for medal league na obɛtumi a qualify no. These are some of the things na medal league no yɛkɔ a sometimes yɛntumi qualify. This is last year yɛana a for young Chelsea to me qualify by the try say team bi obetumi a qualify bi an okwa obekɔ 2nd division non sign ma mechi emeka association hu bi.
Okay, the first point in there me tiase fighting for 2 clubs na omafie mpatem hanom akɔ participate no, but o second point na madwimu na kakra say mo club reps no madwuma say yɛbɔ when we are more organize tournament edema division 2 clubs na say district chairman adwuma.
Okay, the American say yɛbɔ league na wie no 3rd division clubs na you qualify no and that's you show no kwase on one born trying matches by a organize tournament amano. That's what the American what you say. So the bear will be free in district team or bekono or bear well
shaped. Okay.
Now they ako the tournament.
All right. Now about one also about to be.
If I try me I'm to abani.
Well, bet to abani.
That's why.
Okay. Now DFA no why now so say otu abadema na obetimi aboa ama wire clubs ni including the division 2 any offense juvenile clubs ni na division 1 division 3 sorry
omu mi no bebe bia ebetumi ni ene omu bia o bebe bia ebetumi ene o ma yadwuma na mewo timu pobi bi timu po ne se senkeka menfo a nka ba konte ase na onji tum se ba konko no nya ne vice no omu mi ni na mfa ada no bekan omo manifesto no I was there obi appoint dokitan enye bad but he has uncle for me no as penifo na yen district association mu no yetimi ayeden akoye nim ba se ekoba se we ewi ni a we be twe ne ho a eno ntumi mu aye ma ntumi nkoye nim as association minim say the American what the American
ya kan Matthias na my next question based on nia o ka che se ba ko ntiase na ba ko wini na ba ko enye ne on serve as device no o ma bontoa na no be read o manifesto o se na wo ho no bi hwan na ogitum se so tiase ama ba kokko a hwan na mama advice na hwan na enye offense chairman.
Okay me to me mo bi adi entina me ka se me se o mu ba ko yin tu.
Oh coach asa on shadanya me se mo hanu
ba no kweli abana de ametubi ena mini baby so amele metuma ba ko no kweli e ba ko ba
na sanka mo football for there I don't know yani friends secretary akasa wa sia football for there na kama bato de nka mu fancy enye se bia January football for there nka unim baby obi awo so what you say I don't know say odi there odi hintai
abana yen foi but mini bi obi wi
man na be wi ni
ena mi so modi so ntreo
oh dabi na se na wasa one boa me ni metiefo asem na okay dabi boa me ni metiefo now I don't know em say abaye the prophet Yakupon yi no ma de kireo about one baso next week Wednesday but one ni po be wi ni enti we dey me sell why na wo hwa hu so be wi ni
oni omo mbeto aba no menya botsa fru bia ma akoma ko ati bia ne na dwen eni obi abotaya o hwe free association ni o eti pen komo mu ni bia na no aso no be dran dia e beto aba ni be wi no metima kan score strike so better hu nya se metima kan bi si wo nyina jo dabi asa odi asa dabi coach asa oni mini offense metiefo di agro unim numbers a ebe pf maba unim no be wi ni nti bacha ye ana yen do mic na ka kire wachiri nti okay numbers no be say numbers no be ko say
o da bi numbers no e bi so o de membo din numbers na e be question say na be ko first nobody first benya say nobody second benya say
is me no ka say won e bi di wo mton be for ban so mo mba o mu tumi po ma
oh coach o ma dia tenten me numbers no e be say e bia 62 and e bia 72 okay my auntie that o just say one boa me me tie focus when ya kan wi
ene me nya mo
o da bi when ya kan wi enti oh coach
ene obi wi nya ba wi no
o ti say ni structure ti say ni structure ti say
ejure assist on my UCC
you fancy here say coach ni oba wi nya ba ni structure ti say and margin be say okay o dey my margin be say but e be ni pandi na bia o ye we say baba margin be say numbers na margin be say
ejure o dey to asem ye for to asem mesera for of mata ni si na jo
o da bi off e dey say me nkwa na ka chem we won ye ni etiefo na edi nkomo
me yeso so wanya list no mo mbeto aba no
me pa che ai menya wa
all right ye dey na me asi izo won se kudukuru asbum
ai
odan city wom old players and so representative baako ono so ejina mo beto aba ni
okay
then YMB ewom beto wom class no ya ba 13 but nye nyina na ye bitima beto aba ni sanada no ye bi nyina kwa no ba beto aba no kawo ma boy
coach me da say one boa me na no pay but still now there me da say o je brand ye di nkomo why
ya me come on
okay
ya me come on why
okay enti coach Stanley Dodu na wate ne nka no onzo de ne de aba and Kofi I said when you crossing now
ala ya football be na che ora say eno wa dwinwe na gusu adwunwe ho a ya usu eti wa ha no I say gidie na ewo football mu say ye be ye mana yi no kwamna say ya ka kit because from biano route nim e kwapem haban nu haban na no mo say haban na no be ye friend say e peso say dey from ade as wo kwapem suro enye say enye papa kwabra ye kwoto aba o abato na ye kwoto no enkofo miru na ye kwo ana mo decide say obi dey out in cry enti enkran na otini enti no se ye to mana oba kwotran nkran da adwuma no ye
Kofi anya so omo e obi decision one nipa ba ko pe
me mate da say o friend na obeka no be catch your dey say na mate
okay
say no ne so we dem nkofo no mo ka say
okay
ba ko dey say oti akra and it is a tomorrow no dey abato no we no dey kwotran nkran and it ontumi nya adwuma no what I say ana ba ko so te ye mpatem hanti ye si do team mpatem on do be nya time ene emre ele adwuma but football so ye sem pempa me ye ka say ni na o kromo me ni say o ko akope ball ana say boot ere aba ha ye be ko dwa ha ana say ye be ko ofo ase ye be ko yan kwanko ko fo de bia nka na be ko ti say so ade no adu empempen so I say munyo obi a mi mienu no mdomba ni na de mi say da kwa mienu no mdomba ni mi akasa mi kwoto aba no bia mi hu dia mi kwoto ma no what I say ese munyo obi a no mu edu o pushi e be pushi what I say eye say bia coach asukwa mu no omu nya adwuma no bi da coach asukwa wabre ewo patemu anu sei wadi adwuma na chi ache but ebia nka oye vice what I say
vice why be da
vice no one day yeah kwa ba say ane ma na ba digital no ho ne ma na ma no ne wonim za ne ma na na wo kwa wonim computer ma ebe de na sa player registration
na be Kofi nya bo je now
ya be me ka sam me sim play wa ga nei wonim computer ma player registration
once ba
and one asem ba o we ya that betu oni ma we ti office wa na be say because so wonim what I say it will be who say player we you register be a double team we I register that we say that we
say be before we man I say adwuma na man
they go for one be say adwuma what I say just some problem mu edu a empempe ye bi obo office bi na nkofo hopo but nkofo obi akeke say ye nye obi amane mba because minnu mienu na ha na say reverend don pray by no nkofo so onye hwe me dey metie no ya say reverend by no onye hwe okay reverend nye hwe ayate reverend say isi ono kasa kra okori nyam djuma nje oyede ogobiem nje ono de oja to okori nyam adwuma eni di say nimba no nye hwe ne kwa na se mu do obi ba e se mu pro bi a wo gidi enu say akobra jenim de yenim say our links what I say e ba ne say ije say obeye na okofo obi a woni gidi enu say bia munyo obi ama ne mbanti chinchira atwa say nipa mienu no mu abako na more ba amuni gidi ensu enu aye wo ni anim say nipa na adwuma no ba ye hu sachira bia wo mute de ye hu sesi ai ebe edukura be senke ya konachi ana say bia de ye hu sesi ya na be koso sa go ye si akobra football na aba no enye ya no o ena enye tete ni amana na enim ni bi na ye so kati mo kwa chofo mo kete okre kuru ono so kwa brotie kwa hua de oye double degree masters one still o ba chofo mo because ebe du be bi no na ede wo waro tu be den ebe hwe ti o se mu na mo kwato oba ne sipi say na oda se ni gina so onu nim ni ni bo ni so azu nim na ti ese ano na o patche se kwama ena e wo se ade na ye no emu da ho pefe me hunu mu yi because ye nim se coach ya ne ka say ya ven say coach Stanley so ya gima makotokuru as a man football or a coach but mu say team be na ode o montuma ya ba montin no o
so say
obere so no bontim say asubua yesi asubua ro e no
question that be question there say question just odwen ho answer waka
o yesi unam na ebi so say kwabere jere mate say present ayo djuma we afi no be jina be na am ye djuma ka so na obo okan ya waka say me djuma hin kan fam because ye djuma ha
say bia sometimesebo so I say ojina na adenta nipa ni bisa sa question answer
we dey oni bi o bisa
e bia na ope wabo
we oni bi ti bisa no what I say but also ye djuma ma ai asubua United ah yeah o
so you part of
so masa ade no mo ya nya fine say anything na my football nya enye ye no obi a person nya position wa ade na ye no any team any team kra na no akoda da team kitwa bi ba no ode no to say bia metie yi na say bia me position ni bi ntini kom krom dwa ha na me say ja Republicans for mo fa me di ensham me ya ni say team na da no me nya adwuma wo eji otu oba na ma me a me ni ade bia me koya mamo e bia position mi na mpege
some say just say bia ana enye adwuma wo audition ba enye adwuma wo hanu na because I know say from top on so ba faria unless say you stay with the club from some time before some man ko
asem we won minim say mo lawyer na ready because ene minim say mo frame wo court
me ba ene mam ni ko fi mi answer me sero
seriously
rap audio na happen na me go audition ba so
enti kwabra say ya na areho because your football watch patem anu mo kwabra enye your coach football anu say so mo bo course league so mo bo Germany o say o bia ball na je say ball league ntina ye bo bi dia o bo course league say ne o say ya wo bi ye turi ko hwe bi wu de eko enye league papa bi no mo bo I say bia bo chenchera transfer per say ball league what I say na de obi a won team no etumi bo bi nti sande man na say etumi tu ase red talent for abena say ntokwan kwesi wa mo twe mo free league nim what I say some yeman kitinkiti bi ne wo mu na ekutia no
up to now as eligible for nkramo nkan ho
some ama firim awon jabo because I say prepare your yeman ko yie e wo league no bo nim
and a chance youngsters in so nim
amu ne ejai
coach Prince
o ejai because who tu sika gum players ne kwa do sika ko amu ye sia o di say ba eni ti se sia ya batu ye bai na wo se mu pro bi a utu say nipa wo ye o bai de so on the so no so mana tu boss so ma so ka ho asa oni nipa kasa say ko but who dey bet my so so nkwa na so dey say be ko qualify so bet me ko gina bi
mate clubs
team manager ma third division and who so qualify
clubs ni nie Kofi clubs ni nie 1 Overcomers FC 2 KTK FC Power FC
say amo
abo haya
one baby
Overcomers Dabi
amo
juvenile
coast league
Power FC YMB Odan City Battle FC Jamaica Babies Apradi United Power Breakers Esubua United Gaha Republicans Bosumi United ena Into Soccer Academy we 13 clubs
nti omu na ekoto oban
ahe
na yi nipa mu baako na yede naba coach Asokwa versus Scorpion Kwabena ya football na kofo
football ale se kwa komisi ya football na kofo
eje mesre
Messi KTK our reservations be
mesre
okay
mo boso di ahinkan na on free lawyer na
lawyer say
se monya court case da
Dabi
so oboba ma mo bi dia na na mo bi se uko bia body show for time court case na mo bi first of all
but you fair
me do district no yes an coming kasa so whatever we are saying here you know I'm a member of the RFA
yes
so Nyame Kebia my personal view it's not from Bosumi United and you're from RFA my personal view
yeah
but now you interview first or the friends saying
Mr. Kokwampo san
ojina for den
make
onu ojina for den
ojina for Mr. KTK say players rep and
KTK players rep na juvenile rep Martin team ni din pa say ni team no ye good Martin team ni din
KTK
it based on the team ni di anka meto bet ni se bo be kan ne no
okay me ba wasan banti
aka be meto atia no
ma yanko KTK na adena ozo bibi kan ya frewa o siri I na so so bibi kanti ba o de mari ntiu
na me pese me clear the bikaka ema o panelist no and the bia na odeni ema echo enye se ye ne ya na se ebia kuchaskwa na yento abamano that is why I will be some question na me pese me yi ano because me nim say the media people no mo come on se mo pa o se me kai akoye bibia se eno na mo busy also there discussions
yeah no the point na the point o person making once I can say na catch and so oh ni awu kan ye wo personal idea no so enye na o se enya wo die no na mom nia ono so hwehwem a waye no nia wate na o ka no
ene de wate ya bato ne eko it will be also the personal view am say we sia na obetimi no aka it am fan no nyina so say enu because minim say Asokwa onye obi e wonim computer mu a pen manifesto no asem o kan wo mu e ta che me makoma ne say obekwa kope IT personnel ti eto abama no a for your registration issues ni nyina no say ni pa no mehwe no nyema yen enti se we bia enema o mo manifesto no ba na ekomu no ba misa it will be someone of representing my in our meeting.
Now, person me bisa question bu han but I think say nanka coach Asokwa nkasa be the right person to answer. Say now mose mo bre mose so for another IT person. Why na be tu as IT person ne ka? Say can if association ya mo bre ya.
Yeah, because you get affiliation fee.
Okay.
Your percentage won. Ayo tia code national. Your percentage no, e be tia IT personnel so eka enti sise de brain e no de aba ebi ni say you coach football at top form enti so oba be district U13 oba to U15 what U17 aye district team but can san manifesto ni wie no eno ya aba checking for say U17 no ekwambia so more U17 league so ha enti otie onipa bi nsem na o hwe the personality ani ni di mini say no nti na beto abama no a if acho bebre was here no atwa enamo a e wrong eti me samo bebre me ene na mo ba it en sem bebre betimi akoso na mo atimi anya bi aba beka amaye eti nye say ye nyina agin say ye koto aba ma Coach Asokwa. Okay. Let's create to manwa. You deserve. Because Usha Asokwa nipa onimu our GFA, RFA. Coach Asokwa the yen be kwa. That's how they catch you playing. eti nipa na nhwe ni nipa bia no na asese no na bibi papa ebetimi afri nazet aba.
All right. Okay, Mr. Gwagwampon said that's it. Inti Mr. Gwagwampon sana asa ababa.
Me ka sama mo bidio. Me sama nkasa so kwana man kasa scorpion.
Yeah.
Me so mo to aba mo mpa obi a sisi a tia basui. Obi a nipa no to say what I say. Oni bibi kakra.
I understand.
It's
me chire match and say one kasa based on ne effect.
Onya no na so na dey buy. Me say me na mate say enkofo obere say scorpion tinkanjo mo tuma no. E na score na wo ha. Nti no mo tuma na onu benya kwan de aye. E na me dey come asem but nyo no ne de na obek. Say no so waka. So say maka kro so ne de na oba wanka.
Yeah.
Okay, nti wo kan de na waka wie ne kan wo say.
Okay. But them when you say what's a true submission because say on only view no waka no now me say anything the clear say nyane dey so
me ma ye madwuma na matin me say what you say
sounds only football for ni bidin komo nti the crowd
madwuma na na also football nko na ye wa na
eje
net
mo say say KTK
oyo hu fo hu fo say
mayen kanokore kocha square me papa oyemi bibia be me kocha square nka mingira our experience no our experience no football no wayache but mamenka bibi football no sebe enya assembly man adwuma enya unit committee adwuma na yebisa wo submission waka se yetu aba ma obi a wote ha na yentoma obi a onte ha links football papa nenkran de yebo no. Let's be honest to ourselves. Me and friend tete sponsorship papa nenkran de wo. Yet the Kroma yebo tournament no bo Alexander Kwesi akwa me sponsor munya sponsorship.
Yeah.
What are they telling us?
Sure.
What are they telling us?
Mutu na wo no crown so.
Masa, no kwene say. Kucha sukwa no ye vice anameboa.
Yeah.
With Reverend Ompre. Reverend Ompre ye ne die. Or the apem so enemy nkone lie. But clubs na koto aba no. Miminim o anyone dey gina. Scorpion ne wey.
DFA no.
DFA.
Mr.
Me who na me hwe chairman no na me hwe.
Scorpion ne Daniel Square. Coach Square ne Scorpion yeah.
One Scorpion ne gina.
YMB
asema me ka che clubs ne say. Abatuo. 4 years o. 4 years. Me Stanley or madam for me ni say Stanley do obeka so eminia. But em won say Stanley ya disqualify no.
I don't think you disqualify.
Because Stanley yenim say oye coach di Makotoku Rush Division 1. Division 3 club no or affiliated to.
I know boy you say.
Remember this is an insult to the Division 3 clubs. We have to be honest to ourselves. Me and Niagro. Agome ni do kruma sa no. Ya isi wo se be say football.
But so omo file we are. Ye wo obi a of verify.
Masa, mama ka no kra ne nkyerɛw. Me Abawe coach Asukwa be win hands down.
Unso what can't as you say.
Me say coach Asukwa obe win hands down. Because process na ese so mo fa so. No mo to me yi sebe. Enkrofo a Asukwa na be win o. Scorpion ebe wini o, why ebe wini o. Clubs na ka say nya kwa nya evaluation. What you say? Some of them are being imposed on them. That is the truth. And if Masa, some of them are being imposed on them. We have to be honest. Right? Omu to aba we o. Chairman live for good was a man from how beto chairman so. Me catch no me boss wo be fa ne how beto no so. Because me boss no say nyante your friends say cat am mesisa constitution na o 24 years we are 8 years. Yeah. Ana me boa. Per normalization we for no mo be ye no o 8 years on to me to aso bi ma na me boa. Enti abana mo beto no mo fa mo pressure beto chairman so ye pay kokoye be fa so a ye Kotoku Royals be qualify ba Premier League no na ye isi a ye be strategize ni ama ya pray ho.
Sure.
Any division 2 no uko ada district nankasa mobilize fans and promote teams omo pen krofo a currently omo business ni mu omo ye result oriented people with links enye se miti kromo ana miti kromo people omo ye energetic what I say people are currently asem friend to manya ICT we are in a modern world we are using technologies currently ejuma ye wo Africa ejuma ye wo Ghana football no yes to whom you know but ebedu betime ye to whom you know but ebedu be no enemi betwe wasan makacha say Alaji Gruza wajini di Gruza links why the links say no but ene Gruza way
yeah
ne ka cha say Gruza why the links say no Gruza be the darling boy of Ketokeku that Kete or Kete ne ba ene Gruza way
ne do ba
but dent na ne yamponsa even ebra na even ye nyina ye tag say fe ni nyina authority ano no yes to know to me develop Kotoko or you very vibrant our links no outside Ghana our links no no anka se betumi dia kwakwaje bibidi free access bank to betumi akwakọ convince access bank say mumma sponsor Kotoko enne kwa denchamo uko akwetia ya omo Diamond Star we your friend saying Diamond Academy obo division 2 Basco ebo division 2 your friend saying Vidaco ebo division 2 3 teams obo division 2 oh ade we na esi ya hwe bi ne pre se betumi nya division 1 ye betumi promote teams akobo division 2 qualify wa anye friends and family election esa mokoye mami kan kire clubs ni tie ni ye anye friends and family election na mokoye sit down anala una oboka wo team ni wo ne DFA chairman no omo sika fan to players ma omo sika fan to aduani ma players no KTK mo se friends aí KT ni ona ka se friends aí first one KTK o team no enye DFA chairman na mo sika the feed boys no aye wana wodi ko promote wodi obre nkakran na wo ko bola wodi 15 mass so bring somebody for beer or one links for beer who feel say oye energetic for beer modern football na ye ko no obetimi de mo akọ hwe RFI so mo ko meeting na o ko congress a one brofo ne ye ka wo enti upo omu mienu no mu gina no ese mo factor brofo ne ka ho two ye kwa ye ready budgeter wo hia nkrofo mo knowledge in accounting this is where your football na eko wo hia nkrofo de nkrata to what they can read understand ask questions. These are the people I see you as the reps of the your friends the district. Etomu two no say ya suko say your friend say ba friend say Scorpio no analyze these two guys. Mo form two saniani. Say Scorpio na mo feel say or what that qualities na mo to ma no. Say mo feel say your friend say asokwa and what that qualities no o merit ya mo to ma no. Okay. By say mo to me analyze sa de no. Na mo tena o we de ne mo no we de ne tena ya che e na we de we dale moy masa me e fa me ho e ko be do players a me o ba me fiu o players ne be catch them me say tena we do so bowada pa ka ho seriously
o me wi na wasa ba ha be ka say ya qualify ko am ko adebi za
ya qualify ya pe moa
ya nka na mo ko abai ona bo bo mo na
mo ma ya 1 CD
aya say ya
mo nyeji 1 CD 2 CD fa ma ye
stanley team bi sa nkwala ni bi
what you say
omo qualify do mo kwa it was ade na nye em ka say
ye nya di ni ye ne trokan ye ne basa keke ni ye tantan okre mama ke be nchiro okwesi komodo abembra kwa
ahaya
esikomodo abembra kwa ya na omuni DFA ni bi so last year ena omo yes o meti DFA ni bi ntunu no mo ye omo try to come Central Regional RFA no safino mo
be
yes condition omo de mo ne say omo sa enipeku na oho no omo organize a tournament omo pay sponsors na clubs ni mfenyi na no mo fan hwe mpanifo mfi so mebo no mu yin krof okwa papa no ye traditional your friend saying your friend saying House of Chiefs president.
Okay.
President, Central Regional House of Chiefs president. Or therefore moi kwa buedu nanano. Uko Greater Accra. Amaka se koko bodo. Se wono ye adwuma. Enu kwa adwuma. Omo ye okrum wo no gradual process. Ina maka akweti ade na akira wo. Ye ti oda okrum ha. Omo do mo nkoto abafun bia no mete yenka wo
Tabande de ane.
Mas yenka ntia wo mo.
So mienu na.
Omo nkoto abafun bia mete yenka wo
Mami brem kaka.
Omo nkoto abafun mete yenka wo
Ade ba. Aje nim no credit ba akopɛ. Omo na omo da juvenile teams na no wan princess ya no credit sorry for me to say me should this word no. Omo ni say there ni idea bia e was ade no. Because
idea bia wo near him.
Omo nim o say Walker Stanley there. Stanley is there so oba e ma eto no so aba.
But that be me ba.
Now,
I did go
to the FIFA connect system. Meba.
Omo honom na omaka say okay me person gina for this na e din contract as well.
Okay, mama link bi.
I think so over file.
Mama link bi. Why you vet? If one you vetting no.
Now me say
if one you move from say freketi ke bi say if one you vetting no.
Vetting. I'm not sure so be a vetting.
As of now, Emano mbobo anomo.
Emani hin division 1
division 1 man mbobo anomo. Omunya nhyase
premier no
omunya nhyase na meboa
omunya nyina best start I think say match mu no best start
mo first
premier cause Motor Guinness women's league
so
me can man no
yeah na am say we nipa na mo bo
me can man your qualifications so ye ka obi ko ja division 3 so na make say me ka wa ha mo pa mo kan che fa me ho George mo me di ne ho yawo na me tisi wa complain wa football ma me see dey me yema bonada papa wo from me George mo
wa boss no
yes that be we be boss you have to do the right thing what I say because any football no ko Greater Accra ko mo ye omo RFA chairman your friend saying district chairman no
about best candidates about more competition
mama can be show ene GFA obi anko Greater Accra region sisi amenuka say district ni be a board division where your friend say under 17 no under 17 omu twa ne live under 17 district omu twa ne live we young from omu innovations na vibrant ones
meba o say nia ye kan nyina I say omu honum na yehu omu na so omu honum na on board okay fine maybe George Yamwa cause omo mo honum de menim bebre mo bet I think say ono na ne din wo ma
ono wenyina
I when make claps na mo honum say no apart from no asubua okay say asubua na we are kwamo
police ni eduro
ja
alenyo no ono ni etim mai police ni eduro ono ni etim mai
say na
omo so team e bia na no ade say wana ozo
o team fufuro bia
so ro fi asubua
enyo ni asubua no
we asubua
united na we ya friend saying mete so mo say aban kotokuru ashum
dabi kotokuru ashum
kotokuru nkan
me pe ne wa han kotokuru ashum
no mo da
enti be me won okay
anko mo
Jamaica
kaya kaza ba ko yum
okay unia
ne wa han kotoku nim
yen kan no krenchire yo che sometimes de bia me kasa wo hu ewiase nyu bia na sese ye boa no ni tebe kasa ni se obi wo wa we hu se duesi wo pono no adani akoye den akoko so say
pa no ya nza di omo akoye mu wi ano ma se twa mo omo kasa
sir Kofi that is one thing any omo kasa no and kasa any kasa wo ha nyina no e record there wa no so at say so oba I mean about you said this is what
ma me we san crofo mi mo se wan scorpion many ya pa no skakra
why be young person for
okay
team ball
now when almost when emu wan almost on tiakra no on tiakra no scorpion nentiano minim say omu nyina no so fa to aba no but omu gina ombegina nipa no
links you know why na why dey to simple
eno no nyina so to aba no me say wodi momu obi betumi ache ska munyini se obi wo MPP fu aba 20 fu aba 20 obetumi ache o meje di o monto ma se so da football ni ko fe mu
eko
se kotokuru ya se ye digi eni o and then Kotoku breath so to me even qualify. She said Division 2 and area. Busumi United about Division 3. Jungle Stars, correct Jungle Stars position. And omo qualify we ma ko so mudi akwa the young Chelsea. You from saying. Omo qualify we ma ko so mudi akwa the young Chelsea.
Bright Elite.
Ukredin kama.
Young Chelsea no. Once a changing of the name name, but some change called Bright Elite rather.
By first near from saying.
Just for young winner near from
young Chelsea. On position there is secured kakra but no crown. We table ni critically. Obo say Jungle Stars no on the year. Ono so we so na ye
na Kotoku so na ye.
Kotoku de so no division. Kotoku so division 3, division 2 no. Ono so na ye. 3 teams wa nyina na ye.
Mate.
Eno na esem po bi at least. Oba
Omedi mo ade o.
O say
Omguzu bedi mo ade.
Hefo ade.
Anyamo.
Oh, me media. Oh, me media. It was a very careful. So me very careful.
But I think say
very careful. Me can't take a rule for the number mama. I take me pen number na me tibi di minimum so ya de better ne kaso no be kasa be me to me tweet ya no.
Mate.
Me tweet ya no. Me go do be ka me tweet ya no.
Me ko redeemer so 11:51 aka 9 minutes near call bet.
We so to aba.
O dabi redeemer say o your coordinator wo I had me say na school sports no. Na what you almost some dey no share so na say na bo wo mu.
We ba join.
Na athletics nso wo.
Athletics yeah.
Enti o dey monitor for me ko si say.
Oh, okay. I'm say this is the second edition. I'm say chair zones no. This is the second edition I organize it. I say na athletics any games ni na boom. We start Monday no. And we end Friday. Yeah, athletics no Monday and Tuesday. I was St. Francis.
Okay.
School more. I think say 3 zones na share honey and games ni dey obi ade call ni zona center and okoye nti yeah there o Shekem Pentecost. Honey games no. And I said the other zone no. So your model or Methodist Park and we see your St. Francis and or down Quanta for your model or down school. And then you all know na event for there and I say a koye.
Okay.
As usual. I'm say those days na boom media na intimi organizing because in Kolani Dawson and hey
so Dawson my discipline so
I'm say this time around the to me bibia kama ama I'm say Thursday and so zone be declared under 13 champion. I'm a san kwishia yes and ball sa 4 zones no and he under 13 champion or be represent your friend saying district no. And I think say I am proud to say me zone no yes and winning the second time.
Oh sir.
First last year you know Rage Experimenter and a winning yeah did call inter district you could do third year or adesso. This time around, so I say Reginald and Winnie, yes, uncle ball under 13 or some Winnie or auntie. You can say inter-district games in the Barcelona and represented Reginald. He said this time around he beat me, Uncle.
Oh, into Reginald had me say wrong.
Rage war in Quantenuma Abuzon. Yeah, 12 schools.
Okay.
6 primary schools, 6 friends and JHS. It is an 18.
All right. And a Rage for no or my bomb home.
This time around, I'm say Rage FA under 13 and under 15 in
Oh, sir. And the players go.
Almost share me.
Almost share die.
Almost share die.
Oh, okay. And the players go.
Oh, yeah.
Players go.
Players, actually, your guys in the Kolani Bio, they are very, very good. They are very, very good. Let me say, under 13, any. Yabua Chrome 4 and a co-final. In fact, Yabua Chrome 4 and Qualabia Mudium Bayano. And say so many academy or that area. The guys were very good. I just that experience now. Yeah, the show. I'm say team now they call you know. Last year, I'm say most of Omuni. I say wait. And this time around, I wanted to even use your friend saying health insurance. Okay. But I'm saying changes be sound by and they used to wait near the year. But they wait near the year until boys in they wait 38. And the only I say boys now watch it. Last year team it was almost about 9 players were in the team. Omogusugo team. It has a experience now. Yeah, they show.
Okay.
And you need your friends in championship. You know.
Okay. Handball no about so now.
Handball no. I'm say.
Because I'm sure the last time sports coordinator. On the year Brim Central you know.
Yeah. I'm say this year onye Oni Habio.
Okay.
He said Oni Habio. In TM say o coordinator for.
When you see who no. Because
Mr. Atifaya Okesi. He said ono ye.
Mr. Atifaya Okesi.
Ono ye municipal sports coordinator.
Okay. Okay, I think say Mr. Castro,
initially, no, municipal sports coordinator.
Yeah. Or the offense, handball coaches, small by teachers for no some Franco.
Common fan it. I want somebody common fan it to Jesus my school for. And abo, yes, Castro ne kind. Somebody common fan we common fan about school for the sports there no. Somebody to Jesus about the school for. So wrap up no nyama ko say hwana odo ma say bibia ko na wie.
Okay, you know, said me can no, it was eventful.
Sorry, we handball no. O say
handball no, na me ka say handball no. Ni ko ban say zones beat me but other zone ye di intimi anye be and say reasons ni being that say you call your workshop ni we were supposed to meet na so at least omo yen workshop e my ho at least we couldn't meet and then do that. Aside that no so you say nya venue I betimi aye saade me na me say venue na M1 my nya handball we no but I think say kwantenum odan kwanta zone dey omo handball no e wo ho ntem say
so munya school ne park
omunya school park no ni eye bibia wo ho ntino omo dey omo timi ye but we are hoping say next time you beat me abo handball no yen so zone ni mu
mate elections no ya na kakra fam ho kakra we say won so mo ne nkwala footballers na adwuma enti no say oba na ka elections that they ya na mo akoma to ye mu me pesa oba cause uni onya ho nsa akra na wo the just almost on sankola na omo ni omo adwuma Kofi final west ni kwaka
so omo ngwala na bo asokwa mutim ne juvenile football we mu ngwala na bo anambwa
sa we na akwa say we mu ye national team
enti so e say o e be say be tiaro
dabi ozo ni oka ni player na so ebia na yamfa no
yamfa no player na nko
over say me
so omo ye inter street games.
Yeah, me on my part the same day my team. My team na me dey call.
It's no I don't come because on the national team say. O ti fa bu ha e fa bu ha.
Na me dey call. Enti
e ni mo de mom koto ba fun bra ma be che ko.
Yeah, baba nti e continue about one header. Say why say ba no be to ba. Yeah, dey be ko di e chiri na hwe. So asokwa na deserve a montoma no.
Omo me akre.
Say Scorpions so a montoma no football people for. Yeah, me nye team ni bi. But here you say it is a woko na say woko to mo bi no be kire be can say ya you be fire mo na the business because ya kan wa say ya kan wa say na mo sim yenu no de obi a betumi adwuma ni yie obi gwa ro ba say ba ko mbra mbe gina say me na me ayi no chairman na so assistant na wa say what be da like go to ba na to ayi de eni edu wa ya kwa to ba wọ́n sẹ́ mímí ní ọdún ṣe bá rẹ̀ kó tó àbàdàn bá kó mẹ́ka sẹ́ mímí yẹ chairman náà bá kó mẹ́ka sẹ́ mímí pẹ̀ ẹ̀yí assistant náà sí àsùkò ọ̀yẹ̀ vice dada ntí ara náà kọ́ nkà sẹ́ ọ̀bẹ̀ vice sáà wọ́n tún bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n kà sẹ́ mi yẹ vice ti sí ẹ̀dùnú so yẹ sẹ́ mi yẹ dẹ̀ because mi sẹ́ football náà tiẹ̀ kò sí ètò tuntun ká sẹ́ ẹ̀nú so ànú ọba sẹ́sí ẹ̀mí sẹ́ du àsùkò àsùkò à mọ̀tòmá no sẹ́ du scorpion so àmú yẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀tòmá no.
Adishawa
ni benia
1 minute.
Mede bia me kasa wo ma me ewu na wo so wada se do nwumiri na sa ba time mo ma aduane a me wo ba me ma obi because wo so ma me ada wo ma me ada konyane no miso jama what I say omo na ekoto mo aba ye de e ba betra we do so aka but me da me kan say sa bare na o na omo team ne kobobo yesre munye yibi ma obi an support wo mo sa bare me fa me time nya sa de ne biu and me ko fa me social media nye enti se mo kwa koto aba na mo ankoto sebe wan hwe na na do boss hwe wasitrim na to aba na anya na ne be kan hwe wasitrim na to aba enti wa utim no wo na wo boka enti wo koto aba ni wie na be ka kire me se me be ka kire se wo koto aba no wa me frɛ me enti ni po to aba no ko frɛ no meboa wo
Odeshaba mate my friend say time na so news no e take you over media the Joshua Kwabena Janim Joseph Juten kan Raymond Asiteru Benito Maoli afi Odeshaba ya 90 so be kan yensa na aye coach Redeemer have you coach teacher Redeemer so be kan onye coach teacher Redeemer so be kan yensa the wrap up school sports na the every yen ye this year kusi at also with news at 12.
Revolution, yeah.